Hey, what's up? It's BadMad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Today's video is something I've never done before, a virtual collab. Now, I didn't even know these kind of things existed, but I was approached by Bobbi Lace, an extremely talented makeup artist on YouTube, and she asked if I'd like to collab on a look. So of course I said yes. With Earth Day being Wednesday, we thought an earth tone palette would be perfect. So we both were able to interpret this however we wanted to as an artist, but in honor of Earth Day, we are creating an Earth Day eye makeup look. With everything going on in the world right now, I thought it was an important time to mention that while this is very hard for all of us humans, the Earth is actually healing itself. LA has been completely smog-free for 5 to 6 weeks, the longest on record. NASA took photos of China and the air pollution is almost completely non-existent when in the past it's been quite existent. And Italy's Venice Canal is clear for the first time in forever. Swans have returned, fish have returned, dolphins have returned along the coast. I hope when all of this is over, we can come back as a stronger and more aware population. We've needed to get our act together when it comes to saving this earth a long time ago. And I hope that you realize your own carbon footprint, who you elect as president, what you do on a daily basis to impact this earth is vital, especially in the year 2020. Growing up, my parents taught me and my siblings the importance of respecting earth, respecting nature, of recycling. Recycling is something that may not be the easiest for all of us to do, but it's something that all of us can do. Look up where the nearest recycling plant is in your area and start keeping 2 trash cans, one for trash, one for recycling. You may think your impact is small, but it is significant. So please take it seriously. It's our responsibility to help save and protect what we have left of this beautiful planet. I would also like to point out this amazing jewelry that I'm wearing. This is from the company IThoughtOfYou, an absolutely amazing company. The first time I found out about them, I was actually modeling for them in their last fall campaign, and I fell in love with the pieces. IThoughtOfYou supports women by creating jobs for jewelry makers all across the globe. So countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Peru, this company seeks out jewelry makers in those areas and provides jobs and income for them. I'm absolutely for supporting local and small businesses, especially right now. I will link IThoughtOfYou jewelry in the box below. Let's get into this makeup look. Okay, let's get into our Earth Day look. I am starting off with my Color Stay black eyeliner pen, and we are going to go ahead and line our upper waterline. This is a secret that I've known for years. Basically, what we're going to do is take our pen, and just like you line your bottom waterline, I'm following exactly where my lash line is. So I'm starting here and going over. And this just makes your lash line look so much fuller. So this is something that I swear by, and it makes your eye look really come seamlessly together. I am using my new Jaclyn Hill palette. This came in the mail. I'm super excited to try it. This is volume 1. I have already set my eye area with concealer. I am going to take the lightest shade in the palette, and that is the shade N Light. Taking a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. I don't use an eye primer. I always use my Tarte Shape Tape and just swipe my beauty blender over my eyelid just to ensure that there's a little extra coverage and extra staying power in that area. I'm going to take the beautiful aqua shade Pool Party. I'm going to start near my lash line and take this all the way down my lid. Just rubbing back and forth. So I'm loving the fact that this shadow is a little bit sheeny. I'm going to take the excess that I have on my brush and just windshield wiper this into my crease because we are going to bring this up a little. And next I'm going in with the color Jada. So I'm picking some of that up on the tip of my brush, and now I'm going to work this into my outer corner. And that's just deepening that on up. I love that. Focusing on the outer corner and then pushing into my crease. Spray a brush like this just to get it damp. Pick up a good amount and I'm going to lay this down in the middle of my eye. Increase that ombre effect. Okay, I'm now going to take Enchanted from this palette. This is a very, very deep green. It looks almost black, and this is going to be our final color. I'm going to apply this on the edge of the green that we just applied, and very sparingly. You'll see what I mean. And I'm really just going on this outside area and rounding it in. We're going to lightly tap it this way, and I'm going to go in with a blender brush and blend this till my heart's content. Same to the other eye, so we're taking this very deep green on the outside and curving it back in and blending, blending, blending to make this really come together. We are going to go in with our liquid liner. My absolute favorite is the Revlon Color Stay liquid liner pot. I feel it's the easiest to control and to manipulate. I always start in the middle of my eye and start drawing this way. See how I'm just doing little strokes? If you have a hard time with liquid liner, this Color Stay is amazing because it's so easy to build off of. You're just making little sweeps and little lines. So I've never actually done this, but it's such a trend. I feel like why the heck not try it today? I've never used tape to do my winged liner. Normally I just do it freehand. I'm gonna leave this loose where my other makeup is, and I'm just going to press this. Like that, right? Okay, let's see what the verdict is. Okay. I mean, it definitely worked. I'm now going to take the color Beam and I'm going to go right under my brow. And I'm starting it right about 1/4 of the way in. I'm going to add this to my inner corner to just add a little depth. And a trick that I like to use on photo shoots is that I apply this, your inner corner's here, I apply this here. So it's almost hitting the corner of your nose, lifting my eyebrows and just arcing this up. I like to do this with the square brush because you get the most mileage out of it. Now we are going to move it down to our bottom lash line. We're going to do light color here, Pool Party, a little bit of the Jade, and we're going in with Beam. Next, going in with a stiff square brush, Pool Party, on our lash line. On the same brush, taking a pinch of Jade. Now for all the drama. A brush like this, we're taking Enchanted right on the end. And essentially what I'm going to do, and this is one of my favorite things to do on a dramatic look like this, is a double wing. We're going to start here, see on the end, and I'm going to flick this out. See what that's doing? It's creating a very subtle effect. See the difference?
Holy moly!
Starting in the corner, just like we did. Bring it out. I am going to pop on lashes, Kiss Volume Ritzy. All right, baddies, lashes are on. I used Maybelline's Lash Stiletto. This is an amazing mascara for your bottom lashes because I hate when you have beautiful, full, gorgeous lashes on top and then your bottom lashes are sad. This mascara I have great results with. It's affordable, but more importantly, it makes your lashes look even. I'm taking my absolute favorite lip gloss of all time. This is the Anastasia lip gloss, and it's in the color Toffee. I love how this gloss feels on, and it gives the illusion of wearing a liner without actually having to wear a liner. So it's a win-win. We are complete. I'm going to go ahead and set it with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 RX setting spray, my favorite. All right, and that is it for my Earth Day look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to go check out Bobbi Lace's version of the exact same makeup look. Also remember that in this very trying time of coronavirus, that the Earth, for the first time in forever, is showing signs of healing herself. What are you doing today to contribute to that healing? Are you recycling? Are you planting a tree? Are you picking up litter? Do something to impact change in the world, and I promise you it will make a difference. Also remember to check out IThoughtOfYou, this amazing woman-owned company that empowers women and provides jobs. Here on this channel, I want to encourage us baddies to help one another out, to respect and help heal our planet, and to also support local businesses. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you baddies next time.